I got involved in sustainable projects because initially I was a survivalist. You can basically drop me anywhere on the planet and I can survive. As the survivalist matures, I believe that the proper direction for survivalism to go is towards sustainability. It's all about spreading the information so that everybody else can have it too. I learned about solar dehydrators from YouTube University. That's what I call YouTube. YouTube, in my opinion, is probably the most valuable education anyone can get. I learned about solar dehydrators through survivalist forums first, and I watched a couple of videos, and I came up with my own design, and then I built one for myself and my family, and kind of perfected the prototype, and then from there we can just build them. They're not complex by any means, and it's very simple skills, so pretty much anybody can do it. Aquaponics is a replication of what nature intended, which is a stream or a river. And what we do is we take the effluent from the fish, we pump it into the grow beds for the plants clean the water for the fish, and there's this symbiotic relationship. Plant growth is rampant. It's 4 times the normal plant growth, and sometimes it's absurd yields. You get way more out of it than you put into it. You're feeding them fresh fruits, vegetables, and fish. And there is no limit to what you can grow in aquaponics. Trees, all of the root vegetables, all of the leafy greens, squashes, cabbage, you name it. Strawberries, blueberries. We can produce 90% of the food everybody eats. Our future projects are going to be broad. We've got a broad group of future projects coming up. We're going to be covering everything from the construction of earthships / monolithic domes, solar dehydrators, hot water heating systems, clothes drying systems. That's basically a solar dehydrator for clothes. We've got electrical systems, off-grid electrical system classes coming up. Our biotecture training is going to focus more on the basis of human needs, like for instance, being able to cook with the sun, or being able to harvest water from the ground. One of the classes we want to do next is water filtration, distillation, and harvesting. Those kind of skills everybody needs to know. Do they apply to your everyday life? Absolutely. So if you're looking for information on how to get into projects like this, our website is a good place to start. We're biotexturetraining.com. We have links to some other sites that have some good information on them. Texas Natural Builders, again, is a really good one. Dave there is great. Around this area, Dave Pennington does some aquaponics stuff, and there's a bunch of really good groups, community groups that are doing projects like this on a regular basis. Our community, we will be doing as many projects as we possibly can. So I want to teach all of the knowledge that each individual person may have in our community, as well as myself, to whoever wants to learn. So the reason why I do it is because honestly I care about the survival of the human race. I care about my fellow man.